Parameters of RC series circuit. Students, this video is on various parameters like impedance angle, power factor, quality factor, and dissipation factor of RC series circuit. First, impedance angle of RC series circuit. Suppose an alternating sinusoidal voltage is applied to a circuit containing a capacitor of C Faraday and a resistor of R ohms in series like this. In this circuit, the total impedance is Z equal to R plus XC, that is R plus 1 upon J omega C. The phasor diagram of this equation becomes like this. If R is taken in this direction, then Xc equal to 1 upon J omega C is at 90 degree to it. Note that J indicates anti-clockwise rotation of 90 degree, while minus J indicates clockwise rotation of 90 degree. Here Z equal to R plus 1 upon J omega C, which is equal to R minus J upon omega C. Here is minus J, therefore we draw omega C vector in downward direction. This is the resultant impedance Z, and this angle theta be the impedance angle. Using trigonometric relation for this right angle triangle, tan theta equal to ratio of the opposite side to the nearby side of angle theta. Here opposite side to the theta is 1 upon omega C, and nearby side of the angle theta is R, and therefore tan theta equal to Xc upon R, or equal to 1 upon omega C upon R, and therefore tan theta equal to 1 upon omega C R, and therefore theta equal to tan inverse of 1 upon omega C R. This is the impedance angle or phase angle of the series RC circuit. Now power factor, that is cos theta. If an alternating sinusoidal voltage is applied across a pure resistor, the voltage and current through it are in phase with each other like this. If an alternating sinusoidal voltage is applied across a pure capacitor, the voltage lags the current by 90 degree like this. And if an alternating sinusoidal voltage is applied across a series of resistor and capacitor, then as in this figure, voltage lags the current by some angle theta in between 0 and 90 degree. Here no phase difference between voltage and current, so its phasor diagram is of this type. Phase difference is 0 means angle between V and I vectors is 0. In this case, phase difference between voltage and current is 90 degree. Hence here the phasor diagram becomes like this. And in this case, for series of R and C, the phase difference between current and voltage is in between 0 to 90 degree as indicated here. So we draw this current vector I at some angle greater than 0 but less than 90 degree. Now power equal to V into I, that is Vi cos theta. In this first case, power equal to Vi cos theta, here theta equal to 0, and therefore cos theta, that is cos 0 equal to 1, and therefore power equal to Vi. In second case, theta equal to 90, and therefore power equal to Vi cos 90, as theta 90 cos 90 equal to 0, and therefore power equal to 0. In third case, that is for series RC circuit, power equal to Vi cos theta. Here cos theta is known as power factor. The value of theta can be calculated using impedance triangle, in which cos theta equal to nearby side of the angle theta upon hypotenuse, which is equal to R upon Z, or which is equal to R upon R plus 1 upon J omega C, or R upon R plus XC. This is the power factor for series RC circuit. Now quality factor Q. The quality factor Q is defined as the ratio of voltage across capacitor to the voltage across resistor. That is Q equal to VC upon VR. Let current through the circuit is I, therefore Q equal to VC, that means I into XC, or I into 1 upon omega C, upon VR, that is I into R, and therefore Q equal to this. Here we drop J because direction is not important. Now this I cancelled, and therefore Q equal to 1 upon omega C R. This is the quality factor for RC series circuit. Now dissipation factor DF. Dissipation factor is inverse of the quality factor. That is DF equal to 1 upon Q. And hence we can write directly from this quality factor DF equal to 1 upon 1 by omega C R, or DF equal to omega C R. This is the dissipation factor for RC series circuit. In next video, we will discuss parameter of RL parallel circuit.